Hi. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there.
I'm Sarah Carlson.
I'm Devin Kobayashi.
I'm Nicole Cottrell.
I'm Troy DiGiovanni.
I'm Bailey Burbank.
I'm Savannah Foster.
I'm Kelly Williams.
I'm Laisha DiDios.
I'm Maggie DeGarmore.
And you're watching
WTV.
Good morning, SK, and welcome to another great Thursday. I'm Ben Reel.
And I'm Emily Reel. As you can see, we're dressed up for post-high school day.
I can't wait to go off to college and finally get away from you.
Hey.
Why don't you start us off with some general news?
I'd be glad to. In general news, seniors, for Friday's pep assembly, your theme has been changed to whiteout. You can also bring your grad cap to wear. But remember, you're responsible for your cap and there will be no replacement for graduation where it is required. Seniors, you may have noticed a Grad Night member at lunches on Mondays and Fridays, but you may not know anything about it. Well, if you don't, take a look at this video.
Hey seniors, do you know what you're doing after graduation? I don't mean your post-high school plan. I mean right after. Minutes, seconds after. Well, if you don't, consider going to Grad Night.
Grad Night is an after party for the 2018 graduates to go and celebrate their graduation.
If that has piqued your interest, you might be wondering what exactly you'd be doing if you did go.
So the first 3 hours of Grad Night, the bus will take them to a luxury cruise where they have a mock casino, DJ and dancing, and food. Then they get back on the bus and they go to Lakewood where they do go-karts and all kinds of activities.
With all of that in mind, you might be ready to hop on the bus and go. So here's what you need to do next.
I am here every Friday, and there is another Grad Night committee member here on Mondays, and you have to sign up, make a deposit or pay in full, and fill out permission slips, and you are eligible to go.
Grad Night is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for seniors and is guaranteed to be a great time. But if you still don't believe me, take it from those who have gone.
Grad Night was so much fun and the perfect way to end my senior year. I recommend it to all seniors. I had such a blast with all my friends.
Seniors should definitely go to Grad Night because it's the last time your whole class is going to be together and you don't know when you're going to see most of those people ever again.
I'm really glad I went, and if you're thinking about going, just commit because it's so fun and you're going to enjoy it and you're going to look back and remember how much fun you had.
Looking back, I'm really glad I went to Grad Night. I had a lot of fun and I highly recommend going to hang out with your friends and maybe even meet new people.
We went to Grad Night in 1989, and it was fun then, and it's going to be fun this year.
Absolutely.
Full payment is $150, and anyone who pays by tomorrow will have their name entered in a drawing for a prize, so sign up and pay ASAP. Seniors, this one is for you as well. If you are interested in performing at graduation, your audition application is due tomorrow to the guidance office.
All students, come support the prom closet and enjoy some food tonight from 5 to 8 p.m. Twin Creek Cafe off of Mile Hill is hosting a takeover for the prom closet. SK students will be modeling some of the available dresses. Attention all sophomores. If you are planning to participate in the Running Start program next year, your counselors need to see your Accuplacer scores. So please make an appointment to review your scores with your counselor ASAP. All students, interested in participating in the lip sync battle led by the Journalism Club, fill out a form on the SK Wolfhowl website, video submission not required. Or visit the Journalism Club after school to be registered for the lip sync battle in room 340 today.
In scholarship news, seniors, deadlines are getting closer. The Olympic College Scholastic Excellence Gold Star tuition waiver will pay full tuition for 3 quarters this upcoming year. The minimum GPA is 2.5 or a recommendation. Requirements are simply a resume with emphasis on community service. This is due to the Career Center by April 16th. Also, if you're attending Olympic College, their scholarships can be found at www.olympic.awardspring.com. There are 2 scholarships available in the Career Center as well for students attending OC in the fall. One of them is due April 13th. The Seroptimus Scholarship for young women is due April 15th, and the Port Orchard Yacht Club Scholarship deadline is April 16th. These are scholarships worth from $1,000 to $2,000. Don't let them get away.
If you're of Japanese ancestry and attending UW, 5 scholarships worth $2,500 to $3,000 are available and due April 15th. Juniors, the selection cycle for the Navy ROTC scholarship has begun and you should begin completing your application now. Plus, get registered for the spring SAT or ACT test. See the Career Center for more info and also sign up to attend the presentation by ROTC recruiter at a later date. To all juniors and sophomores, it is never too early to look for college scholarships, and here is one of your first opportunities. On April 20th, the Marine Corps will be here to discuss their ROT scholarship opportunities worth over $180,000. Sign up in the Career Center to hear this 30-minute presentation.
Geez, all these scholarships mean college is coming up quickly, and then I have to pick a career. I still put my shoes on the wrong feet sometimes.
And I'm sure you're the only one who does that. Anyway, speaking of careers, here's some career news. If you're attending the field trip to the Kingston Laborers Training Center on April 19th, your field trip forms are due this Friday, April 13th, to the Career Center. With that, I think it's time to move on to sports news.
And I think you're right. Today on the road, SK Ladies Water Polo faces Gig Harbor at 3:30.
JV Women's Lacrosse takes on Edmonds at home at 7.
And SK Varsity Fast Pitch heads to Graham Kapowsin to catch a W at 4, while JV stays at home to also battle Graham Kapowsin at 4 as well.
Tomorrow, SK Track and Field heads to Hayworth Field at the Oregon Relays at 7 a.m.
Ladies Tennis serves aces against Central Kitsap at home at 3:30.
Ladies Fast Pitch takes on Sumner. JV at home at 4 and varsity away at 4.
Men's C-Team Soccer plays Sumner at Retzel Field at 5:30.
As JV Men's Soccer takes on Sumner at our own SK Field at 5 o'clock and varsity at 7.
Go out and support your soccer team and the rest of our fellow athletes.
Tomorrow is a DIY Spirit Day for Pep Assembly. Freshmen wear neon, sophomores wear USA colors, juniors dress preppy, and seniors, your theme has been changed to whiteout. Grad caps are optional.
As we near the end of our show, we can't forget about our lovely clubs. Today, German, Art, FCCLA, Illuminate, Ceramics, Journalism,
Lifesavers, DECA, Campus Life, Magic and Trading Card Games, Ukulele, and Knowledgeable will meet.
and tomorrow, Builders of Unity and Magic and Trading Card Games will meet.
Check out a new club today.
In sports results, our men's lacrosse team won 19-1 against Clahalia. Matthew Burns was the MVP with 7 goals. Well, that's all the news we have for today. Stick around after the show to see the Assembly alternative options.
From all of us here at WTV, I'm Ben Reel.
And I'm Emily Reel.
Stay classy, SK.